Can you pierce a potato with a straw? A straw can't pierce a potato unless you use one simple trick. Don't blink. Let's unveil the magic of science. A straw can't pierce a potato, or can it? Just cover one end with your thumb. A quick jab, and the straw goes right through. The power of compressed air in action. Pour some white vinegar into a bottle. Attach a balloon filled with baking soda to the bottle's mouth. Lift the balloon, letting the baking soda fall in, and the balloon magically inflates. On a sealed beer bottle cap, poke a tiny hole and tap the bottle. Beer shoots out in a rapid stream. That's a chain reaction. Can you believe it? Just a cotton string can siphon water into an empty glass. Capillary action at work. Pour some expired vegetable oil into a cup. Add a little water. Then a few drops of food coloring and some effervescent tablets. Bubbles of carbon dioxide form, and you'll witness an underwater volcano eruption. Draw your favorite patterns on a smooth ceramic basin with a whiteboard marker. Simply pour water into the basin. The patterns float up to the surface, like fish swimming in water. Stretch half a balloon over a cup filled with water. Push a straw through the balloon into the water. Press the balloon. Water flows through the straw into another cup. Pressure difference at its finest. Wrap a few loops of cotton string around a glass bottle. Pour some alcohol onto the string. Ignite the string. After even heating, quickly plunge it into cold water, and the bottle splits cleanly in two. Thermal expansion and contraction, a classic trick. Why interleave two books like shuffling cards? Crossing their pages together, can they really hold the weight of a water jug? Insert a zinc chip and a copper strip into an orange. Connect wires to the positive and negative terminals, and power a digital watch. The magic of electrolytes. Try to drill a hole in a ceramic cup. One tap, and it shatters, but submerge it in water, and you can easily drill through. Water acts as a cushion, spreading the force. Add a pinch of salt to the bottle. Pour in hot water and screw the cap tight. Submerge it in a sink full of cold water. Open the cap. The salt erupts like a volcano. Thermal convection in action. Iron needles that were once attracted to a magnet, after being heated with fire, lose their magnetism. They fall off one by one. Dip a cotton swab in lemon juice. Write a secret love message on white paper. Hold it over a flame to heat. The words slowly appear. The magic of invisible ink. Light an alcohol lamp. A paper cup suspended above. Start spinning from the hot air rising. The principle of a revolving lantern. Roll paper into a cylinder. Tilt and fix it over a cup. Light the top of the tube. Watch the white smoke flow downward instead of up. A beautiful smoke waterfall. How to balance a soda can on its edge. Just fill a quarter of it with water. When the water level is parallel to the table, the can magically stands up.